Dan. I'm an internet entrepreneur. I own several websites which I mostly operate on my own, and therefore I'm always on the look for new tools to help me develop new features for my users. Today I want to tell you about one of these tools that can help you turn this a very simple spreadsheet into this beautiful functional mobile application. So for now I'm going to close this and I'm only going to focus on this thing. This tool is called JBart, and two things you should know about it. First of all, it's free, which is great. I love free stuff and I'm sure you do too. Second thing is that it requires no prior knowledge. So even if you don't know HTML or CSS or nothing, you're still going to be able to build this application. What I am going to assume is that you have a Google account. Okay? If you don't, just go and open one. It's easy, it's free, and everyone should have a Google account in my opinion. Okay, so I built this cookbook application spreadsheet. It's very similar to Microsoft Excel. And it has several fields. Title, which is the name of the food, author, image, which is just the URL, a short description, ingredients, and instructions. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to share it. I'm going to make it public on the web. Okay. Then I'm going to go to the option Publish to the web. Okay. I'm going to choose the CSV option, and then I'm going to copy it. Okay. We're done with the Google for now. Now I'm just going to go to search for JBart. Okay, this is the first result, and I go to JBart Studio, which I already opened here. Okay, I'm going to go to my first widget. I'm going to pick New Mobile Widget. Now in Data, I'm just going to paste what I copied from Google, and lo and behold, we already have a working, beautiful mobile application. This is the food list. And I'm going to go into food item, and it's working. I can go back to the list. Beautiful. Now I want to customize it a bit. Okay, so I'm going to go into an item. I'm going to select it, and then I'm going to add a field, which is the author field. Okay, you can see it already appears here. Let's customize it a bit. Okay, and I'm going to add the word by before the author. Okay, apply. It's here. And let's change the font a bit. Okay, so this is the size of the font. Now I can change the font itself. Okay, and the last thing I'll do is, I don't want it to appear here, but I want it to appear underneath the title, so I'm just going to drag it here. Very easy. Okay, now I'm going to choose item, and I'm going to add a section which is the ingredients section. Okay, so let's call it ingredients. And I'll just add the ingredients field. Okay, it's already here. And let's add another section which is the instructions. Okay, instructions. I'll add the instructions field. Okay, it's already here. Beautiful. Going back to the list, you can see that it already applies to all items on the list. Okay, so the ingredients, the instructions, it's here. Okay, let's save the application. And now I'm going to embed it in order to show you that it actually works. Okay, so I'm going to copy this. I'm going to testiphone.com, and now I'm just going to paste it here. Okay, amazing. It's working. I can go into an item. I can go back to the list. I can even search. Okay, so let's search for beef. We get this item. I go into it. Amazing. So as promised, I show you how in 5 minutes, knowing absolutely nothing, we built a beautiful functional mobile application using nothing but Google spreadsheet. So now you can go and play with it yourself. Enjoy it. Bye bye.